Good morning. It's Miss Trees again. Hopefully you've gone through the reading video. This is the writing video. I haven't made a writing video yet, but here we go. This one's going to be a lot shorter than the reading video because we're just going to discuss a few points to remind you about how the writing's supposed to go. I've only gotten 2 writing samples back, so I'm wondering if you guys are writing like you're supposed to. I know that it's a little longer and a little harder, but I really spanned it out over the whole week so it wouldn't take y'all so long to do it each week, for each day. Now on today, it says, think of 3 toys you like to play with, pick the most fun, and discuss it with your parents. How does it affect your life? So all you have to do today is think of 3 toys that you like to play with at your house the most. Toys can also include video games. Okay, video games, that's fine. You can include those toys. Now, if you don't really play with toys a lot, now I know you guys love cars, and that's a toy, or other toys that you may have had left over from when you were a lot younger. But I know that y'all play with toys, and girls, y'all have dolls and all that kind of stuff. So I know finding or thinking about 3 toys should be pretty easy for y'all. So all you have to do today is think of 3 toys that you really like and write them down. That's all you have to do today. Okay, so don't stress out. Now tomorrow, you're going to pre-write a paragraph of at least 8 or 9 sentences. And remember, a sentence is just not something written on one line, and then the next line you write another sentence, and the next line you write another sentence. No, you write, and then if you have to keep writing, you just go to the next line. And then you might have a period in the middle of the line. That's what you're supposed to do. Okay? 8 or 9 sentences, which is going to put you about almost halfway through the page. Okay, explaining what your toy is and why you want to play with it, when you want to play with it, and how it helps your brain learn. So you're going to pick one toy. Tomorrow, you're going to pick one of the toys that you like the most. And then the questions I want you to answer while you're writing those 8 or 9 sentences is, I want to make sure I get it right, why you like to play with the toy, when you like to play with the toy, and how that toy helps your brain. Okay, it might help your brain because it's helping you think a lot. For an example, if you like to play Prodigy, okay, if that's one of the toys you like to play on your video games, if you like to play Prodigy the most, what's that helping your brain with the most? Prodigy, think of what you do on Prodigy. Okay, what activities you do on Prodigy. I'm not going to tell you, you have to think about it yourself. Okay, that's what you're going to be writing about to answer the question, how? Okay, then on Wednesday, you're going to read your paragraph to your parents and edit any mistakes. Now remember, capital letter goes at the beginning, and what goes at the end? 3 things. A what, or a what? A period, an exclamation mark, or a question mark. There you go. I knew you knew the answers. Okay, now if you can't read it to one of your parents because they're really busy or they work, or can read it to anybody in your family. Okay, you can even read it to your dog if you want to, or your cat, or your bird, or your pet monkey. I don't know what you have, but I want you to read it out loud, and then go over and look for your mistakes. Look for those capital letters at the beginning of sentences. Make sure you have punctuation. Remember when you bring them to me and I go, you have no periods in this whole paper. Okay, I want you to edit it. That means check for your mistakes. Then on Thursday, you're just going to write it over with all your corrections. You're just going to write it over nice and neat, best handwriting. and then you're going to draw a picture of it. Draw a picture of it, and then it says to take a picture of it, not a picture of it on your paper. Draw your picture on the paper, then have your mom or dad take a picture of it, and it says here, send it on Dojo. But remember, I like y'all to send it to me on text because it's easier to see. So send it on text if you can. Remember, to my number, 210-478-1622, where a lot of y'all are sending your work already. Okay? So that's not till Thursday. So you just have a little bit that you do each day. So I don't want you to stress out. Okay? Now, Friday we have no school. But if you don't get it done till Friday or over the weekend, that's okay. Still send it in if it's late. Right? Because I just want to make sure I see it. If it's late, don't worry. Okay? Don't think, oh, it's late, I didn't do it, and then just not do it. Go ahead and turn it in anyway. Okay? Because I need that work. I don't care if it's late. Okay? So what did Miss Tree say? Turn it in even if it's late. All right? Okay, happy writing. I'm ready to hear about those toys. Okay, bye-bye. Talk to you tomorrow.